Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro 32GB, more space, more fun. Samsung is expanding business with Galaxy J7 newest version launched dubbed as Pro 32GB, and soon it will be available all across the Pakistan with its improved space so you can store more things in your own phone without using any extra micro SD card or anything else. Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro 32GB was released with a 16GB variant, but now company has decided to introduce its new version in which they provide more space for user of Samsung's Galaxy J7 Pro 32GB. All the other specifications are remain same, and it was the major change in this device. 5.5-inch screen is present on the front side of Galaxy J7 Pro 32GB by Samsung, which has packed a Super AMOLED matrix to show you the true depth of black color and give you the optimum result which you want from your Samsung Galaxy's J7 Pro 32GB. One more special thing about its display is its support for always-on display, which is a feature of an flagship device. Predecessor of Samsung J7 Pro 32GB only support HD display, but in this phone you're going to meet the FHD display where the pixel density of the touchscreen is 401 pixel per inch. Under the Samsung Galaxy J7's hood, Exynos 7870 octa chipset is planted, where on top of it 1.6 GHz octa-core processor is used to handle all the processing of smartphone. 3GB RAM of Galaxy J7 Pro 32GB is perfect choice for the unlimited multitasking and gaming, while Mali T830 MP1 GPU make sure that all your graphics look more beautiful and attractive. J7 Pro 32GB hired 13MP camera for front side, while same 13MP camera is selected for the back side too.